Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to share an Instagram story with just one person. The easiest way to do so is to use Instagram's close friends feature. So for that, you need to first open Instagram and go to your profile. Then tap the three lines in the top right corner and select close friends. Then remove anyone who shouldn't see the story and leave only the one person you want to include. Now, create your Instagram story as normal. Before posting it, choose close friends instead of your story. Then your story will then be visible to people on your close friend list. So that was it for the video. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.